As Russian SAM systems haven't performed close to what is claimed, they often fail to pick up the drone on the radar, even with multiple different systems that should all be able to take down the drone. But even with the SAM picking up the drone, as seen with this RQ-20 Puma reconnaissance drone flying over Russian position, it doesn't mean it will successfully intercept the drone, as seen in several videos where the missile missed the drone, but in this case the surface-to-air missile detonates in front of the drone, not being able to take it down with the fragmentation in the warhead, most likely having a bad signal of the drone due to small radar cross-section, which gives it too low of an accuracy to take it down, letting the drone to keep going, being able to identify the SAM system and keep going on new missions. That's all I had for this video. Please like and subscribe for more. Thanks for watching. Bye.